But the governor has not properly exercised his mind in approving the waiver and withdrawal of the petitioner's valuable right under Section 5A of the Act. Stop. In other words, it is their substance that resort to the emergency provisions contained in Section 17 of the Act were unwarranted and unjustified in the facts of the present case. Stop. It will be relevant to record at the threshold that acquisition proceedings stand completed in respect of an overwhelming portion stated by Mr. Podar to be as much as 80% of the subject land, that is, its possession, has been taken over by the government, which has tendered compensation to the erstwhile owners. Stop. Para. The proceedings for acquisition start with a preliminary notification under Section 4. Stop. By that notification, the government notifies that land in any locality is needed or is likely to be needed for any public purpose. Stop. On that notification, certain consequences follow and authority is conferred on an officer, either generally or specially by government, and on his servants and workmen to enter upon and survey and take levels of any land in such locality, to dig or bore into the subsoil, to do all other acts necessary to ascertain whether the land is adapted for such purpose, to set out the boundaries of the land proposed to be taken, and so on. Stop. Then Section 5A provides that any person interested in any land which has been notified in Section 4 may, within 30 days of the issue of the notification, to object to the acquisition of the land or of any land in the locality, as the case may be. Stop. Every such objection shall be made to the collector in writing, and the collector has to give the objector an opportunity of being heard. Stop. After hearing all objections and after making further inquiry, if any, as he thinks fit, the collector has to submit the case for the decision of the government, together with the record of the proceedings held by him and the report containing his recommendations on the objections. Stop. The decision of the government on the objections is final. Stop. Then comes the notification under Section 6, which provides that when the appropriate government is satisfied, after considering the report, if any, made under Section 5A, that any particular land is needed for a public purpose, a declaration shall be made to that effect and published in the official gazette. Stop.